Friends, you feel hurt in direct proportion to your ego. Very big ego, very big hurt. Medium ego, medium hurt. Less ego, less hurt. No ego, no hurt. Therefore, what's the lesson here? Our hurt is in direct proportion to our ego. And what is ego? The word ego means exaggerated glorification of oneself. I repeat, exaggerated glorification of oneself. Ego is the need and necessity to prove that you are better than others. Ego is that a beggar in you which wants validation all the time. The ego is that which seeks for gratification. So, ego can be handled very well with knowledge, with awareness, with the right company, satsang, what we call as, with the alignment to scriptures. Ego can be handled gracefully. And the well-managed ego manifests as humility. A badly managed ego, or you are a victim of your ego, it will manifest as arrogance. It will manifest as anger. It will manifest as impulsive behaviors. Just take a small scenario. You could have gone through a breakup. Your ego says, how can this happen? And you're tormented by it. You're depressed by it. If you have the clarity, if you have the right satsang, if you have the alignment to scriptures, you will understand a relationship is a part of my life, is an aspect of my life. It is not my entire life. A relationship is an aspect of my life, one part of my life. It is not my entire life. When you get this equation right, you will get your mind right, because the intellect is in its place. And when you get that right, you will get your life right. And you will not be a victim of your ego. A seeker went up to Swami Ramatirtha and asked, when will I be free? To which the great Swami Ramatirtha said, when the I ceases to be. Here the I is the elevated notion called ego, exaggerated glorification of oneself. So friends, we suffer in direct proportion to our ego. Big ego, big hurt. No ego, no hurt. So you want to get hurt again by your own ego? Think about it, and let's make progressive choices in our life. Let's become aware of our ego. Let us bring in knowledge. Let us gain the clarity, and let us become humble. Humility is the most graceful, most beautiful quality in an individual. Try it. The Mind and Intellect platform is designed for unlearning and relearning. And if you like these videos, please do share with your friends and let more people get benefited from these knowledges. Think about it. Thank you all.